Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to generate a song using Microsoft Copilot in Bing. If you want to create songs using Microsoft Bing, you have to go to Microsoft Copilot website. You can find it using this icon, or you can just use the widget of the browser as well if you are using Microsoft Edge browser. This one. But if you are not using Microsoft Edge browser, you have to go to Microsoft Copilot website. There you will also need to have a Microsoft account to use Microsoft Copilot. Make sure your organization does not restrict Microsoft Copilot and it does not restrict the plugin site. The first thing you need to do is go to the plugin section, and there you will need to select the Suno plugin. Make sure you have not started the chat yet, because otherwise you will not be able to change the plugin selection. Now that you have selected the Suno plugin, you might want to ask for song ideas. So I am asking for song name ideas about a farm house. Now I will ask Copilot to write a song about country cottage tunes. I like this suggestion. Create a song named country cottage tunes. Now as we can see, it activated the Suno plugin and it is writing the song, the lyrics for the song first. Now it is generating the actual song for me. Microsoft Copilot can do that as well. But keep in mind that you have limited amount of song requests per day. Now it generated the song and we can listen to the song.
In a country cottage with a front porch swing, soft whispers of the willow tree.
And now you can see it generated the song. I can as well share the song if I want to, using a link. If I copy the link, it opens me Bing website with the song answer. Otherwise I can download the song and I can open the song in MP4 format. So yeah, that's how you create a song using Microsoft Copilot. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Make sure to subscribe and check out my blog with the link in the description.